What's up everybody, this is KG. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and explaining how to properly use an electric toothbrush. The electric toothbrush I have is an Oral-B Vitality. I've been using it for about a month now, but prior to that I had another Oral-B Vitality electric toothbrush that I had been using for about 15 years and I got really good use out of it. So after that experience I figured why not get the same type of toothbrush again. So for anyone who uses a regular toothbrush and is thinking of switching over to an electric toothbrush, I would highly recommend it because once I switched over to an electric toothbrush, I never went back to a regular toothbrush. I find that an electric toothbrush cleans your mouth and your teeth much better than a manual toothbrush. So if you look at the manual that came with my toothbrush, it shows you it is the Oral-B Vitality Pro 500 model. This is the box that my toothbrush came in. And you can see on there it shows that it comes with two brush heads. So you have a replacement brush head. It comes with the main body which has the battery in it, and it comes with the charger inside. So what I want you to see here is that you have the main body with the battery, and this is one of the heads that came with the toothbrush. And it's very easy, it just slides on and clicks into place. And to operate it, there is a button here, power on off button. So to turn it on, you just push the button and you push the button again to turn it off. And this here is the charger that comes along with it. You plug this into an outlet, and on the instruction manual it tells you to place the toothbrush on the charger. So on the instructions it says you have to charge it for 16 hours to fully charge it, and then you will get about 8 days worth of brushing for 2 minutes each, twice a day. So the technology on this toothbrush is that it has an oscillating head, which means it vibrates back and forth. When you turn it on, it's going like this, back and forth, and that's how it ends up cleaning your teeth. So a few reasons why I like this better than a regular toothbrush. Number one, it has a small round head, which makes it easier to reach into the back of your mouth and into areas that are harder to reach. The other good thing is it vibrates at a high frequency, so when it gets into your mouth, you don't really have to apply too much pressure. It just cleans based off of the vibration really well. So you actually end up applying fairly light pressure in order to clean your teeth, and it cleans it really well. So my opinion on this particular toothbrush, I've had it for about a month now, and I've been using it daily. The battery life is strong on it and holds up as per their specs so far. And the other cool thing on it, it has a 2-minute timer. So when it has been running for 2 minutes, it actually has this pause and start kind of break in there, so it lets you know that 2 minutes have passed by. Now in my older toothbrush, after a number of years, that 2-minute warning kind of stopped working, and then it would work on and off once in a while. But hopefully in this new one, it lasts for the life of the toothbrush. Another thing I noticed about this toothbrush is that it runs full strength right up until it dies. So you won't really see it slow down in the last few days before it needs to be recharged. It will just stop when the battery is done. In contrast, my old toothbrush, as it got closer to the battery dying, the oscillation would become slower and the toothbrush would operate a little slower till the point that it died, and then you would recharge it. Or once you saw that it was starting to get slow, you would recharge it at that moment. So in the new one, I think it's better that it works full strength till it dies, so that way it gives you the best quality clean until you need to recharge it again. So now I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to use this electric toothbrush. The first thing you want to do is wet the bristles, and then you want to put a small circular amount of toothpaste on the toothbrush. You don't actually need too much toothpaste on here. So I'm going to use these 3 fingers here as an example of my teeth. And these would be the sides of the teeth. The tops we can assume are the gums, and the bottom are the bottom of the teeth. So when you start brushing, you would obviously turn the power on. And when you start brushing your teeth, you want to actually put, I'll go at an angle here. You actually want to put the toothbrush halfway between your teeth and your gums. And you want to sort of let it sit there for a moment and slowly move your way across to all your teeth. Hold it for a few seconds on each tooth. And then you can do the same thing on the back side. Gum, half teeth. Clean that area. And then come on underneath and clean the bottom of the teeth afterwards. So one thing you want to keep in mind is you don't want to put too much pressure. You just want to put a mild pressure on there so that the ends of the bristles can do the job and clean the teeth nicely. Now because there's a 2-minute timer on here, you want to spend about a minute on your top teeth and a minute on your bottom teeth, front and back. So I'm just going to do a quick demo turning it on and doing the motions with the vibration on, just so you can see what it looks like. That's pretty much what it should look like on your teeth as well. So you're just moving along your teeth fairly lightly and letting the toothbrush do the work. Now I'm also going to let the toothbrush run till it hits the 2-minute mark so that you can hear the sound of the 2-minute timer. So you guys just heard that little stop and go motion there. That's your 2-minute warning. So once that 2-minute warning hits and you're done brushing your teeth, you take it out of your mouth, you still leave it on for a few more seconds, turn it at an angle like this and rinse it under the sink a little bit, let some water fall on it, and then you can turn it off afterwards. And then to finish cleaning it, you take the head off, you rinse the head separately under the water, and make sure you dry off both parts before you put it back together. And that's pretty much how to use this toothbrush. One other thing I like about this toothbrush is that it has a nice rubber handle on it. So it's easy to grip, it has a good grip on it. And I also think this toothbrush is great for travel. So that is my review on my electric toothbrush. Hopefully for any of you who are considering switching over, this video helps convince you to give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. Also remember to push the bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. If you have any comments for me, leave them below for me in the comments section. And don't forget to share this video with all your friends. Take care and we'll see you again next time. Peace.